Do you remember your last dream? Have you ever experienced a dream where you were not only a character within the dream, but also an observer, as if you were living a movie and watching it unfold at the same time? If so, you've experienced lucid dreaming, a remarkable state where you are aware that you're dreaming and can influence the dream's course. Recent research published in the 2023 issue of Encephale has highlighted the therapeutic potential of lucid dreaming. It can help reduce the frequency of nightmares, offering relief to those who suffer from them. Additionally, it has shown promise in mitigating insomnia and symptoms of anxiety, making it a valuable tool for improving mental health. Moreover, lucid dreaming isn't just about altering your dreams, it's also a means of exploring the hidden depths of your psyche. According to Antonio Zadra, a psychology professor at the University of Montreal, lucid dreaming allows you to engage with different facets of your mind. Some individuals use lucid dreams to delve into their subconscious and gain a deeper understanding of themselves. But there's more to lucid dreaming than self-exploration and therapy. Benjamin Baird, a cognitive neuroscientist at the University of Texas at Austin, describes it as having your own form of virtual reality. It offers entertainment value that transcends the boundaries of reality, allowing you to embark on extraordinary adventures and experiences that are impossible in the waking world. The history of lucid dreaming dates back centuries, but it wasn't until 1913 that the term lucid dream was coined by Dutch psychiatrist Frederik Van Eeden. Later research in the 1970s and 1980s, led by Stanford psychophysiologist LaBerge and published in reputable journals, established that lucid dreaming occurs during the rapid eye movement, REM, sleep phase. Interestingly, Tibetan Buddhism has long recognized the potential for lucid dreaming through a practice known as dream yoga. In dream yoga, individuals intentionally perform contemplative techniques within their dreams, being aware of their actions while dreaming. This practice includes conjuring unusual objects, transforming dream environments, or changing one item into another. After such dream experiences, individuals often report increased cognitive flexibility, enabling them to change their thoughts, mindset, and even their perception of circumstances. From a neurobiological perspective, lucid dreaming's mechanisms are not yet fully understood, says Ken Poller, a neuroscientist at Northwestern University in Evanston, Illinois. But preliminary research suggests increased activity in the brain's prefrontal cortex, which governs executive functions and emotions, and the parietal cortex, responsible for processing sensory information and attention. Lucid dreaming offers a wide range of benefits, spanning from scientific understanding to personal growth and therapy. Researchers now have tools to precisely study and correlate dream experiences with brain activity. On a personal level, lucid dreams can enhance creativity and contribute to self-discovery, skill development, and even spiritual transformation. Practitioners like Christopher Mazurek have found lucid dreaming to be a profoundly healing experience. In his lucid dreams, he was able to communicate with his departed grandparents, providing solace and a sense of closure. Additionally, lucid dreaming can serve as a platform to improve real-life skills through mental rehearsal during dream experiences. Therapeutically, lucid dreaming has proven effective in tackling issues like insomnia and recurring nightmares. If someone has recurrent nightmares and learns how to engage in lucid dreaming, they can recognize that they are dreaming, that what they're experiencing isn't real, and possibly change the dream's outcome. This can be a powerful, transformative experience, helping them reach some level of resolution or healing. Baird explains. If you decide to try lucid dreaming, a prerequisite is to have fairly good dream recall, experts say. Keeping a dream journal can significantly enhance your ability to remember your dreams. Various techniques can be employed to induce lucid dreams, such as reality testing, mnemonic induction, and wake-back-to-bed methods. These techniques, when practiced consistently, can increase your chances of experiencing lucid dreams, but mastering them may require patience and experimentation. In conclusion, lucid dreaming is a captivating phenomenon with numerous psychological and therapeutic benefits. Whether you use it for self-exploration, entertainment, or personal growth, it offers a unique opportunity to harness the power of your subconscious mind and explore uncharted territories within your dreams.